I have OPPO F1 Plus, and let me show you how to block number on this device. So let me show you how to block and text messages on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Here you need to find and select settings. Right here, let's scroll down and choose here the call. And here you can, for example, block unknown numbers, or you can also create your blacklist. So here you can add the specific number, the specific contact, or you can choose something from call log to block the number. That's it. You can also go back and you can also block number by using messages. Here you may also create a blacklist to won't receive any calls and messages from the blacklisted numbers. So that's it. Everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.